Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at Tasty Trade, and this is why I have the Tasty Trade account. All right, so these are recommended trades from the gurus here at Tasty Trade, and these are trades that they're making. So I'm going to try this one out. I've been getting some more buying power back in this account as I close stuff out, and so it's a pretty good trade. It's not bad. You can see where we're at. And looks like the expected move is reasonable until December. And it looks like we'll get a pretty good credit. And the probability of profit 50%, pop 50, 65%. I'm good with that. So I can close this once it gets to 50%. And my one issue here is a lot of times we don't get great fills at Tasty Trade. You can see that this is not filling very well at the mid. So usually I have to undercut that mid price a little. I don't know why, but it seems to be a sticking point here at Tasty Trade. So let's see how this works out for this trade. Well, we're going to have to do some horse trading here. All right, so you can see it took a little finagling to get this thing filled, but ultimately it was successful. So awesome. Still pretty happy with the break-evens on it. So go take a look at the position. We can see here the other positions that I have as well. But you can see the P&L from the open. Okay, not much yet, but we're going to take a look at closing at this at 50% profit. Be sure to subscribe for more updates, and thanks for watching.